Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. It is beautiful outside. Sunny, 81. Very nice. Looking good. Who do we have first in the chat? We have Ryan the Rapper first in the chat. He said he was going to get it, and he got it. Ryan, man, very nicely done. Good news, Gig New, and Forefathers. Man, Forefathers, I haven't seen you in a very long time. Glad to have you in here, man. Where is Dark Bro? I don't know, man. Dark Bro must be working. We got Forefather. Good news, Gig New. Ray De Silva, hello to you as well. Ryan the Rapper, thank you very much for the super chat. Ryan says, numero uno, baby. What's up, Clay, bro? Let's spend this money and buy. Very nice, Ryan the Rapper. Heck yeah, man. And you know what? I actually did. I just bought the dip on Katamoto. I told you the last dip was probably the dip that I was going to last buy, and turns out I bought another one. So it came down to that blue line. The blue line on the screen was my all-time low line. Daily speaking, it did hit some intraday lows on launch day, slightly lower, but I went in there, it touched 77, and I clicked the buy button, and now I have more Katamoto in my wallet. I will say this, I have way too much Katamoto in my wallet. Way too much Katamoto in my wallet. I tell you guys all the time not to have more than you're comfortable having. I've got way too much Katamoto in my wallet. If this bad boy rips up, if this bad boy actually makes some gains, if Katamoto it goes higher, we're gonna have way too much money. I don't even know what we're gonna do with it. I don't even know what we're going to do with it. We're going to have way too much money if Katamoto actually goes up. Sitting at 81.85 right now, already up, my gosh, about 10% from where I got in a couple of minutes ago. So hopefully the gains continue on from here. This is the last dip because I don't want to buy anymore. Dead serious, I don't want to buy anymore. I got way too much now. Let's see. Ryan, man, thank you very much, though. Guys, if you don't see this, that was Ryan's first super chat, so please say thank you to Ryan and welcome him to the bros, man. Ryan, thank you for the very first super chat. Absolutely appreciate it, and I'm very glad that you sent that, man. And I'm also glad that you're first. It's not easy to get first. Guys like Dark Bro out there. Look at this. Internet. I don't know, Ryan. He might be coming for you next time, man. Dark Bro is a quick one. Let's see. Let's go AMC. Jonathan, man. Let's get it. AMC to the moon, right? Let's see. Hit the like button, heathens. Hey, please do hit the like button, you heathens. I was looking at some of my statistics this morning or yesterday. Now I forget. And like 26 likes is what we're doing. I know it's slightly different on the vertical version. Click the like button, guys. My gosh, it's easy to do and it helps a lot. So click the like button. Yo, Dark Bro Forefathers, heck yeah, man. LUNC status. I haven't looked at LUNC in a while. Let's just take a little quick look at Terra Luna Classic. See what's going on there. Come on here, LUNC. Where's this bad boy? That's still not bad. 10,000 points per coin, man. $596 or $596 million market cap. We don't want it all the time. Sitting right here at support, man, at the 10,000 point per coin mark. So that's not bad at all. We don't want to see it get back down to the all-time lows of around 5,000 points per coin. That we do not want to see. But support holding up at 10,000 points per coin looks very good for Terra Luna Classic there. I've seen a lot less excitement about LUNC out on X lately, so I actually figured that it would probably be a little bit lower than that, but Terra Luna Classic still looking good. Hey, everybody, had the consult with the surgeon today. Rotator cuff surgery Wednesday morning. Dang, that's fast, man. Tim. Well, dude, it must be messed up. Glad they're going to get that done for you, and hopefully no issues whatsoever. Textbook, you walk in, you walk out, you're all good to go. Tim, man, thank you very much for the update, and hopefully it's not hurting you too bad right now. Dark Bro, ignore me. Never, man. No, never. No like button until we go back to normal view. No like, normal view. No like, normal view. No like, normal view. As soon as we stop ripping subscribers, we will go back to the normal view. No issues with that. I want to see something though. You guys are logged in right now. Yeah. Let's see what this looks like here. Yeah, coming onto YouTube. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Claybro's live. We click on that live stream. Yeah. Take the live chat off. No, we don't want to do that. Okay. Can't flip it horizontal. Swipe up. You don't want to swipe up. That's bad. No, we don't want to swipe up for the next video. Guard privacy. Yeah, we gotta do that. No. 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 Yeah, man, I don't know how. See, one day I had it in a different view, but I don't know how I did that. I had it in a different view one time, but I don't know how I did that. I had it in the same view that Moji had once. Huh. I don't even know. I don't know how I did it. Whatever. Not gonna worry about it right now. We got good news, in the chat right now. Boom, baby. He said, you see that banana? You take the banana, you tilt the head back, you lick it, and you stick it. Because he made some money on Solana token. Trump, I don't even say T-Man's Tiny Mushroom. Dang it, dude. T-Man's Tiny Mushroom. Is that a thing? Let's see. Dude, if that's the thing, I don't even see it. There's 4,000 of these. I don't even see it. Dang. But congratulations on making money, man. That's what it's all about. I created it. Oh, good news, Gary Gnu. I don't even see it on there, man. But I made a Solana token. I made some money on a Solana token. Gotcha. That's why it's not tradable yet. Oh my gosh, dude. Hey, Gary, I don't know where you come up with these names, man. I truly don't. Tic Tac to get banned, man. Gone, baby, gone. Tic Tac is gonna be banned, but I don't know if it's gonna be gone for sure. I think they already banned it actually, but I don't think they've enforced that yet. And Tic Tac, TikTok, any other BS? Tic Tac, Paddywhack, give a dog a bone, man. Tell that TikTok kid to go on home. Clay, you're the man. Futures, you're the man, dude. Dead serious. I'm the man on the screen. Right? There's no denying that. I'm clearly on the screen right now. You're not on the screen. But you guys are the mans. You're the mans. Maybe one woman in here. It might be a woman in here. But you're the mans, dude. You're the mans. Why? Literally, this live stream would not exist if you guys weren't in here. If it was just me with crickets, this live stream would not exist. So without you guys, it is impossible to go live. Without you guys, it is impossible to have as much fun as I do. Without you guys, you ain't the mans. So Futures, you're the man, dude. Hello today, Clay, bro. Nice to see you happy. Would you be able to say something about Slothana? As airdrop should be after the pre-sale end. I'm not sure if I missed something. Thank you. Maja D, you are 100% correct. The pre-sale has ended. And now they are ready to launch the token. They have not yet launched the token. So it was a possibility that they launched the token as soon as the pre-sale ended. You are absolutely correct on that. But now to give kind of like a fair launch opportunity, you know, some people may have bought in right at the last moment and got their tokens right afterwards. What they've decided to do is announce the launch date. So if you bought Slothana, you can see right here, the pre-sale is now sold out and the launch date will be announced. I'm following them out on X right here. I'm not logged in on this on this Google Chrome, so you can't see it. I'm following them out on X, and I do have their notifications turned on, so that as soon as they announce something, as long as I'm not sleeping or away from my phone, I'll be able to see. Now, I don't think that they're going to say it's launched, right? I don't think they're going to say that and then catch a bunch of people off guard. I think that they will say, you know, our launch is scheduled for so-and-so day and time. And then they will re-update the website, and you will have the countdown timer on here. Now, I truly do not think that it's going to take a very long time to launch. They've probably been preparing for this for quite some time now. But things that they do have to do, I don't have SolScan or Polyscan up now, but they do have to move the money over from their Solana wallets and the Polygon wallets over into a Radium liquidity pool. I assume that it's going to be Radium. They also might use that whale one, whatever that whale one is. So they got to, you know, fund the liquidity pools and get ready for the launch and the airdrop. When the airdrop does happen, everybody's going to be getting their tokens at about the same time. Now, I say about the same time because I'm pretty sure I read that they are going to be using a batch sender, which sends out to 500 wallet addresses at the same time. And then like a second later, 500 wallets, a second later, 500 wallets, 500 wallets, 500 wallets, 500 wallets. So you know, you might get yours a couple seconds, or depending on how many people are in the pre-sale, maybe a couple minutes before or after somebody else. Shouldn't matter at all if you plan on holding. I don't know why anybody would want to sell seconds after the pre-sale launches. That wouldn't make any sense to me. But yeah, man, they'll be announcing that date here pretty soon, and they should put a new timer on their website when they do. They raised over, I believe it was just under or right over $23 million for the Slothana pre-sale there. Hey guys, I'm late. Got 3 staples on my dome, Pete. Oh my gosh. Anonymous. That's what happened to your head, man. That's crazy. Hey, Tim was first this morning. That's you were dial up. Glad to have you in here right now. I need my first crown back. Dark Bro, you're gonna have to get it tomorrow, man. Yo, brother, catch me up on Doge, please. Top news, man. Are we talking Doge 20, Dogeverse, or just Dogecoin? Let me know before I go on and start going off on some sort of a tangent. Farm. We could pull up Farm, dude. Farm's not one that I usually stay associated with, so let's see where it's at. Harvest Finance, $77.99, down in line with overall cryptocurrency market prices today, but doing pretty well, actually, over the last year to rise up nicely. So it was about April, May of last year, sitting at $27, currently sitting at $78. Not a bad gain over the last year. However, a couple things that I do notice. TradingView, scroll out all the way to inception here. TradingView actually looks pretty good. So I might have to zoom in a little further than that. I don't know. You can see that since inception, Farm had been hitting lower highs. Might even take it to there. Farm had been hitting lower highs, and then it steadied off. Major horizontal level of support down here. Boom, tabbing it. Just extend that a little bit. There you go. Boom, tabbing it, tabbing it, tabbing it, tabbing it. Coming down just a little bit. Tabbing it. And now it's on its way back up. You got to zoom in because it's not as aggressive as the decline that Farm had. But Farm doing very well since all the speculation. I would assume that this is back in October here. What's this date? I don't know. get rid of this. Don't give me these cookies. Yeah, October, November. So when Bitcoin started to speculate about the ETF and things were looking good there, farm started to take off as well. And from the September, October lows, what do you notice? Higher high, higher high, higher high. And higher lows being hit as well. Okay? So it does have a very nice ascending channel that is breaking out. If you want to be a little bit more conservative and you think the market's going to be pulling back, I'd be looking at this 50-something area. But technically speaking, anywhere in this range would be safe. And of course, you might want to consider taking some profits as farm comes up and tests the resistance line now. So yeah, dude, farm actually not looking too bad over the last couple of months there, as it is now forming an ascending trend line after bottoming out for over a year. Kiali'i, looking for new coins. Kiali'i, got a lot of new coins floating around out there. My favorites right now, Katamoto bouncing off a 76 point per coin low just now. Already back up about 10% to an 82.5. Hopefully it goes back up from here on out and reattempts that 1,000 point per coin mark, or the 10 point per coin mark, or the 100 point per coin mark, whatever you want to call it. I like Katamoto, dude. A lot of action, a lot of not projects, but partnerships being formed there. A lot of listings for Katamoto. So they got a lot going on that's just beyond meme coin status. They got a lot of the similarities remind me of Shiba Inu Coin. Okay, similarities remind me of Shiba Inu Coin. So I am way too heavy. Okay, I'm way too heavy in Katamoto. I tell you guys not to go too heavy, and I tell you guys not to invest more than you like, but I'm way too heavy in Katamoto. Slothana, you can't buy it. You got to wait for it to go live now. Dogeverse, I'm in that one. That one's only got about $2.5 million, I believe, until it hits its hard cap. And then on top of that, dude, keep an eye on Doge 20, too. I know it just launched, but Doge 27x'd from the recent lows. Doge 27x going from 300 points, man, down here over the last week. 300 points. It was actually lower than this. The intraday wick on the daily chart doesn't do it justice. But yeah, man, it's like a 7x gain from 300 points back up above 2,100 points. So a lot of people made a lot of money there, but double topping at that 2,100 level. Currently coming back down a little bit on a negative day today. So keep your eyes on it, man. But, dude, Doge 20 volatility, if it starts to set up a channel between here and here, and you see 7x gain after 7x gain, don't sleep on trading that one either. It could actually turn into something very nice. Dogecoin. Which one, man? Which one? Orion Garg, dude. Listen, what's a scam about it, man? Just tell me what's a scam about. You guys all come in here, scam. Dude, just because the price goes down does not mean a coin is a scam. Just because they haven't launched it yet does not mean a coin is a scam. I don't know how you guys, like, when you go to the grocery store and you see prices increasing, you gotta remember, man, I'm just the guy that is, like, talking about the news and latest prices and so on. Do you yell at the cashier at the grocery store and say, "These eggs are a scam! I can't believe I'm paying $1.99 for a dozen eggs, you scammer cashier"? What the heck are you doing? Guy comes on the news at night and he's like, "Man, we had a wonderful rally at the local high school today. Is the football team did very well." Scam, man. I can't believe local high school kids having fun playing football. Scam. You guys, all you do is run around and say scam, man. Oh my gosh. Let's see, I got a big old Skag zero-turn mower. I'm watching the son-in-law try to figure out how to drive it. Lawn's gonna look wonky, but it is entertaining. Yeah, nobody cares about them straight lines, Tim. Never. Or YFDAI, let's take a look at it, man. RM, this entire video viewer teach each other. We are international and diverse. Yes, Anonymous, you are correct on that. YFDAI. I feel like I bit my cheek, but I don't remember doing that. Yeah, I bit it. Did I bite it while I was sleeping? Man. YFDAI is sitting at $42.90 right now. Where's Dark Bro? I don't know if you got in that $30 range, but if you did, man, you're already up 50 stinking percent. Not bad there, Dark Bro. Overall trend is still down on the year here. Certainly down from these all-time highs back in 2021. But dang, dude, if you just got even close to those levels, imagine riding. Don't even forget this wick right here. Take the tip off. Just forget the tip. Forget the tip, man. Just go to this level right here, 5,000. Could you imagine Dark Bro riding from 42 bucks all the way up to $5,000 per coin? I want to see it happen, Dark. I want to see it happen, man. It's ugly, but it's funny. There you go. Dogecoin, my brother, please give us some news. Please. Why is it down? Will it go up? Top news. Absolutely. So I don't know if there's any Dogecoin specific news out there right now. But yes, the overall market is down heavy today, right? You can see Pepe down 4%, Bitcoin down about 1%. Panda Swap is up right now. Solana down 4%. But if you look at Dogecoin is also down just a little bit right now. 5.70% lower on the day. Another way to look at it. Yeah, cryptocurrencies. Look at the tops here. Over the last 24 hours, Bitcoin down 0.86%, Ethereum down almost 4%, Tether clearly not moved, BNB down 2.26%, Solana down, you got XRP down, you got Dogecoin down, Toncoin down, you got Cardano down, you got Shiba Inu down, Avalanche is down, Tron is down. I mean, there's nothing up over the last 24 hours. Unos Sid Leo is up, okay? That's about it. Everything else, what is this? Monero, okay? Monero down heavy over the last couple of years, but Monero up 0.13% over the last 24 hours. SEI coin up 5%. That's it, man. You got like 3 winners out of the whole gang here. So yes, when the market recovers, Dogecoin will also recover. Just tough to take the losses on red days, but red days lead to dip buying opportunities. Look, let me put it this way, okay? I bought that dip on Katamoto. I said that I wasn't going to buy any more dips. I said that I was done buying it, but take my money away, okay? Katamoto might take my money away. We'll find out. I bought the dip on Katamoto, right? Because we're not in a bear market right now. I truly don't believe that we are, okay? I truly believe that we are seeing an actual dip during a steady bull market, not the bull market peak where we see the exponential rally and the ridiculous gains. But I believe we're in a bull market right now. So these dips are dip buying opportunities. Now, once we see just an exponential rip higher, I don't know if it's going to be at the end of 2024 or if it will take to the end of 2025 like the previous 4-year cycles have shown. Then you've got to be a lot more conservative about what dip you buy. Because every bull market cycles out into a bear market, which cycles back into a bull market. The bear market dips, they last a very long time. You might be in a bear market dip for 1.5 years, 2 years. It's still a dip, but it is a bear market dip. And it's much more brutal than what I expect us to have right now. What I expect us to have right now are dip buying opportunities, which of course has turned out very well over the last 40 minutes. It's exactly what I'm in. I'll take $44 entry price all the way to $4,000 to $5,000. Do it, man. Lottery's a scam. Played 3 times last week, didn't win. God, the lottery's a scam too. Dude, I can't believe. Next time I go into the gas station, which I actually haven't been. When's the last time you guys went in a gas station? Dude, I think the last time I went in a gas station, honestly, might have been to buy a lottery ticket. I just pump gas and go. When's the last time you guys went in? Well, I can't even remember the last time I actually went in. But next time I go in a gas station, dude, I'm going to yell at the clerk in there and say, the lottery's a scam, man. Selling these scam tickets. I didn't win. I've played plenty of times, and I still have never won. Scam lottery, man. Come on, call these scammers out there, dude. Oh, gosh. Anonymous, I'm not going to be mowing this summer at all. 3rd surgery on this shoulder. Doc says it's trying to sew up a wet tissue. Oh my gosh. Tim, man, That's tragic, man. It really is. I do hope it gets better. I'm riding that with KSM, either all the way back up or all the way down. Nice. Joe Bro. Call. The call is trying to break through its all-time high. I was watching call for a second in between the lives there. Crow with knife, ladies and gentlemen. Could be, okay? Let me emphasize could be breaking this resistance level. Now, we talked about it earlier. What's going to provide the actual real resistance here? Is it going to be the very significant burning of that 7th zero that takes you down to 6 zeros and a 1? Will that provide so much resistance that you see another pullback? Or will it rip through that a little bit and make its way up to a $100 million market cap? Both of those are very, very kind of crucial levels to keep your eyes on. All right, significant for more than just technical reasons. There's psychological reasons. So yeah, Crow with Knife doing very, very well right now, man. 95.10. It's up 53% on the day today, getting ready to touch an all-time high here. Watch out for 6 zeros and a 1. Watch out for $100 million market cap as well. Dude, I would love. Oh my gosh, dude, I would love a $100 million market cap on Catamount. Will somebody go out there with any of you guys have $1 million? Somebody go out there with $1 million and buy Catamount, man. Pump this thing a little bit. Let me sell some because I don't need all that I have. Trust me. And been able to find CAW. You should be able to find that on crypto.com. Dial up if you haven't seen it already. Today, give him a 100 ounce of Big Red Sod Circle K. It sells a 100 ounce mug. I've never seen a 100 ounce mug, man. That's got to be big, dude. You got to pee like crazy after that one. I know you have to. You got to pee so bad, you got to go fist, boom, fist, boom, fist, boom, fist bump. Joe Bro! Thank you very much, Joe Bro, for the fist bump, man. Absolutely love all the super chats, guys. Way too much fun in here, I'm telling you. Honestly, if we didn't have manipulation, all these cryptos would be able to skyrocket. You see the buy and then the sell. It's manipulation, not corrections. You know what, futures? You could very well be right, okay? You could very well be right. I can't live my life thinking that everything is manipulated and terribly corrupt. But I will say this, okay? If they are manipulating these prices both up and down, over the long term, they should manipulate them to the upside. Because yes, you can make some money shorting assets and so on, but the long-term growth, because there's not enough actual dollars in the world to pay out all short positions, you need to have wealth generated in a variety of assets, okay? So, yeah, they might not have enough money to pay a quintillion US dollars out, but if you got $1 trillion in Katamoto, you got $1 trillion in honorarium, you get $1 trillion in YFDAI, you got $1 trillion in Apple and Tesla, you get $1 trillion. Go on down the line, dude. If everything's worth $1 trillion at that point, you know, it's okay. It's just wealth. It's still fake, right? It's still just a number on a screen. Still don't have the actual dollar to back it up, but they have to manipulate it to the upside over the long term. Otherwise, their assets aren't worth anything. Dark Bro, thank you very much. Just a friendly reminder, this super chat is a scam. I can't believe you guys out there sending me scam super chats, man. Dark Bro, I can't believe you're sitting there scamming me with another super chat, man. Stop scamming me with these super chats, guys. Jeez Louise. Anonymous, you'll have to subscribe to his OnlyFans. That you will have to do. We have a live preview of the real banana. Peel back. I don't know. I forget what the video is called, dude. I forget what the video is called. But way back in the AMC days, I did eat a banana. I think I might have eaten 2 bananas back in the AMC days. So you could scrub through those AMC videos, 2021 style, and you will see a banana being eaten. You will. You could also subscribe to my... No, I can't even say subscribe to my OnlyFans. If I had one, I would tell you to subscribe to it, but there's probably some idiot out there that does have a Claybro OnlyFans, so don't subscribe to it. It's not me. Not me. Don't subscribe to that one. It's just another scam, man. It's another scam. I think these OnlyFans scammers, dude. Hey, for real though, you want to talk about scammers? There's a lot of Clay Bro scammers out there. There are. I don't know if I should get mad at myself about that or if I should get mad at them. Because they technically aren't even real. I don't even know what to get mad at. Where do I do Dogecoin 20? Can't see it on Bybit and Coinbase. Maja D, as far as I know, Doge 20 is only available on Uniswap right now. I don't know if you can actually buy Doge 20 anywhere else. I don't know if it has any centralized exchange listings. So Doge 20, you're going to copy the contract address, right? You're going to come out to Uniswap. Uniswap's going to load up. I don't know if this is going to pull up my buy button here or not, but you can search Doge 20. Yeah, you can click on trade. And then from there, you're pulling up Uniswap right here. Well, you want to buy Doge 20. So you're going to trade your Ethereum or USDT, whatever you got, right, for Doge 20 if you want to buy it. So once again, don't connect any fake Uniswap, whatever's. But you're going to have to buy that directly on Uniswap. If you guys know that it's listed somewhere else, correct me. But as far as I know, it was only... As far as I know, it was only Uniswap. Like I said, I could be wrong. Not sure. Damn it! Thank you very much for the super chat. Tip says, the hot gummy bear was the apex golden moment. Well, you know what? Listen, that was pretty cool. I remember doing that. I brought the ice cream up here. We had our hour-long live stream, and then I ate the world's hottest gummy bear. For anybody that was thinking about ever eating one of those, I think it's called Little Nitro or World's Hottest Gummy Bear. Claybro eats World's Hottest Gummy Bear or something like that. You can either search my channel or just type it in YouTube. I'm sure it'll pop up. Dude, it's some people... Listen, I can handle hot things, right? I can handle spicy. I can handle peppers and stuff. They are hot. Like I get it does. There is a spice to it. The world's hottest gummy bear, dude. Don't ever play around with that. Okay, don't ever play around with that thing. If you think you're gonna be funny and put one of those gummy bears in like your friend's bag of gummy bears, you deserve to be beat, dude. Halfway to not ever being able to eat another gummy bear yourself. So it is not. That thing is not a joke. That thing is dead serious. If I ever get a hold of Mr. Simon, he is eating one of those. All right, that dude sent me straight poison. That thing is a 100% chemical fire. It tastes like poison, and it will upset your stomach. You will have to go to the bathroom a lot. It will not be solid, and it burns just as bad, expelling as it did ingesting. Let me put it that way. Don't play around with that thing. Dead serious. Don't play around with that thing. Way too hot, man. Trading amongst people, Doge and Crow. Giovanni, man, let's get started. You know what? I think that Crow is a good choice. I really do. Depending on how heavy hitting this bull market is and how many new people are signing up for crypto, it is going to be a big indicator of how well the exchange coins do. Clearly, if the SEC comes in and bans Coinbase, bans Crypto.com, bans Kraken, makes some mafia move, Crypto.com coin's not going to do well, but it very well could. Hero, no surprise you don't go to gas stations with your OnlyFans money. You have something to do with someone do it for you big time. Nah, dude. I will never have anybody pump my gas for me unless, of course, I am in New Jersey. I don't even think you're allowed to pump your own gas there. Are you allowed to pump your own gas in New Jersey now? For a while there, I didn't think that you were. So if anybody lives in New Jersey, let me know if you guys pump your gas now. But no, man, I could have literally. I could have Andrew Tate, Patop G, Cobra Man style money, and I would still pump my own gas, dude. There's some things that money can change, sure, but there's other things that money will never change. I could have it all, and still wouldn't pay somebody to pump my gas for me. How do I buy Grok? I don't know where Grok is available at centralized exchange-wise. So let's take a look at that. I think this is the real one here. Grok's on $83 million market cap. It is available on Uniswap, Gate.io, HTX, Mexi Global, BitGet, BingX, LBank, XT.com, OrangeX. So there are a lot of centralized exchanges, or you can, of course, go out to Uniswap and grab your grok there. Almost like guac. Don't grab your guac at Uniswap. Grab your guac at Chipotle or something. Grab your grok on Uniswap. But if you ever want to know where you can buy a token, you can go out to CoinMarketCap. I mean, you could Google it too, but it's also very easy. If you got CoinMarketCap open, simply search the token and then Grok Markets. You can see all of the liquidity pools that are providing a price for Grok right now. Uniswap, Gate.io, HTX, Mexi, BitGet, BingX, and that's just on the first page. I'm not going to scroll through all 7 pages here. So should be easy, pretty easy to find. Pretty easy for you to find Grok there. FBI giving warning to Americans about using exchanges that have no KYC. Yeah, Kiali'i. I actually saw that search was trending yesterday. Here's the thing, dude. Here's the thing. I don't understand their issues with no KYC and crypto. Right? I completely understand their issues with no KYC. Changing it back into fiat. I get that, right? So think about it this way, right? Crypto is honestly no different than a video game. FBI doesn't have jurisdiction over the gold that I mine in a Warcraft 3 Reign of Chaos game. They don't have any jurisdiction over it. I'm not going to tell them how much gold that I mined in a Warcraft 3 game, and neither is Grubby. These are internet games. Internet money. Crypto, internet games, internet money. Now, if I sell, let's say I leveled up a Warcraft account and I was ranked number 1 on the ladder. Then, if it has some value to somebody and I sell that account, maybe I made $1,000 on it. They gave me $1,000 US. Then I get it. They want to know. Give to Caesar what is Caesar's, right? The fake news money belongs to him anyway, so you might as well let him know. No different for crypto. If you're going crypto.com, if you're going Coinbase and so on, and you're trading your crypto for US dollars, at that point, I get it. They want to know. Just the same as they want to know with any bank out there. They don't want drug dealers and legitimate criminals going out and moving money from crypto into actual dollars. Okay, I will allow that to happen. It's KYC, man. Great. You're going back to fiat at that point. But how these idiots can tell you that they regulate your internet game money? Dude. Nope. They do not do it. So many fake groks didn't know what was legit. Hey, negative, man. Yeah, make sure that there are a lot of fake groks out there. Clearly, there were a lot of fake Groks out there. I don't know Grok's actual Twitter accounts or X accounts or anything like that, so I don't know what it's listed or where it's listed, but those should be the real ones that are listed on that website for CoinMarketCap there. I don't think those exchanges would be listing fake Groks. So that would be my best guess. Maybe you don't want to go out and use Uniswap or something. Maybe you want to use Mexi Global and get it from there. Glock 43X, do it, man. Glock with a grok. What do you think about that? With my badge, Giovanni. I always carry my Glock. This is bad. There you go. Everybody's got it. Now, I missed some of these chats, and I have no idea what's going on. Nah, pew pew, bro. CZ. There you go. CZ Binance. Is that what we're talking about now? Let's see. Carrying Glock 45 right now. There you go, Giovanni. Always carrying. What are these anonymous? Oh, no choice. The thing's always away. Oh my gosh, this dude. Open the windows, Anonymous. Open the windows. Clay, do you think we're going to get good news this week because of politics? They don't want Biden to look like a failed economy, right? Giovanni. No, they certainly don't want that. They certainly don't want that. Now, I guess it depends on how far they're willing to go. I truly believe, like, logical Americans understand that things are more expensive right now. I truly believe that, like, Sure, stock prices have rebounded nicely over the last year. Crypto prices have rebounded nicely. Inflation is back down to that 3.5% level. So the numbers might not look bad, and they can portray them as good. But there's also studies out there that they're not going to tell you about where you're paying, I don't know if it was from 4 years ago or 3 years ago or whatever, but the average American right now is spending over $11,500 more per year than they did just a couple of years ago. That's a lot of money, dude. And that's not because they're having a higher cost, or that's not because they're having a higher standard of living. It's not because everybody's going out there and instead of buying a Kia Forte, you're buying a Corvette. No, that's not what it is. Your standard of living that you had 3-4 years ago, whatever the study is now $11,500 more expensive than it was then. So I know people are feeling it because I know you're not making. You'd have to make about $20,000 more a year because after you pay your taxes, then you're going to be clearing that $11,000. So you would have had a $20,000 a year raise to not even feel the sting of what's going on. I know people feel it, dude. I know people feel it. I feel it. You go to the grocery store, you go to the restaurant, dude. Things are more expensive. It's crazy. And, you know, I'll probably just... And now I understand, right? When your grandma was like, "Boy, what do you mean it's 88 cents for that candy bar? When I was a kid, it was a nickel. You could go down to McDonald's and you could get a hamburger and a Coke for 10 cents. Now you go to McDonald's and get a hamburger and Coke, it's $10, dude." So I get it. Now I understand why grandparents were always like, "Wow, that was only a nickel when I was growing up." Yeah, dude, it was a nickel. Now it's $5. So I think we're already living through that. We're not even grandparents. Giovanni, here's my tinfoil hat theory. B-Man will crash everything. Blame it on T-Man. Said we can fix it in 4 more years. T-Man will make it worse. That's a possibility as well, dude. I hope that crap doesn't happen. I want nothing but good stuff. Oh my gosh, I hope that crap don't happen. I want such good stuff from here on out. Glock 22, Glock 23, Colt 45, look alive. I don't even know what we're talking about right now. Guys, I have no problem with guns, right? But I don't know them. It's like you guys are talking, might as well be talking about sports teams. We might as well be talking about baseball players or something right now. When you guys are talking about these guns here, I have no idea about any of them, and it's bad. We can talk about cryptos, we can talk about stocks, but you guys are way above my head with all this right now. We need only dude, you know how many people would probably get scammed by an only scam website, thinking that it's an only cam website? Gosh, dude, only scams probably already exist from some scammer trying to scam an only cams website. So only scams, I'm not gonna look it up. Only scams probably already exists. Anyone make an only scams coin? I have not made that. I have not seen that. Crow with Knife looking very good today. Tapping all-time highs, man. All-time highs on Crow with Knife right now. 91.60. I'm telling you guys, this yellow line is not going to be easy. Tabbing it 4 days ago, right? Yesterday, day before, yeah, 3 days ago. Tabbing it again today. Might not break through, but it's still showing a lot of strength right now. So 6 zeros and a 1, heavy resistance. If it does break that, $100 million market cap usually does provide some heavy resistance as well. So keep your eyes on Crow with Knife if you're out there investing, but hopefully you see some good action as well. Watch out for this one. Okay, this could lead to a decent dip buying opportunity here. Last 3 out of 4 trades bearish by the bot, which means you should be seeing some bullish trades come in by this bot. Could be a decent little dip buying opportunity here, and let's see if he does throw one in there. I imagine it's going to be anywhere between an $11,000 to $17,000 buy coming from good old 4196. 4196 is the whale smart contract. No, actually, wow. 4 out of the last 5 are negative 4 out of the last 5 are negative here, guys. Yeah, coming right back down to this blue line here. He'll string together a couple good buys now, and you could get a decent little dip buying opportunity from the 79 level. She'll be bouncing back as the last 4 out of 5 trades have been sells by that bot there. He's gonna come in with a buy right now. I know he is. I did not log in, Frank. I was not even home very much in between live streams. So I got home at about 3:30, came up here at about 3:45, got ready for the live, and I did not log in. Is Dogeverse ever going to launch? Negative man. Yes. Yes, it will. Dogeverse has a hard cap of $15 million, which means the current... Let me see. I got to pull Chrome back up here. Let's see. I'm telling you guys, this next bot buy coming in is going to be a good one. It's going to bring it back up to 8,000 or 8 points per coin there. 0.0008. 0.0008. 3 zeros and an 8. Dogeverse right here. What's he got left, man? Day 14 hours until the next price increase. $2.5 million left, and to what I've been told is the hard cap. So if you guys do want to buy some Dogeverse, right, you only got $2.5 million left. At the current rate, at the previous rate, that would be about 2 to 3 days. At the current rate, that's probably going to be about 5 days. So, yeah, I'd say you're looking at maybe 5 days until it sells out. And they put your countdown timer on until the launch day. I do not know when they're going to be launching. They might put this on for a week. They might put it on for 10 days. They might put it on for a month. I don't know when the launch day is going to be set for. Things are slowing down a little bit. It's not doing quite $1 million a day. But yeah, I've been told the hard cap is $15 million. So we'll see how that plays out there. And look, we did get our buy bot. The bot came in with a nice $13,000 buy, pushing it back up above 8,100 points. Not bad on Katamoto. Hey, tomorrow, crypto going up or going down? What are your thoughts? Giovanni, honestly, I think you're going to have a nice little bounce. Today's got a decent dip going on. So, let's see. Pull up this here. Bitcoin. You know what, man? I'd say you got to bounce. These candle bodies are here. The $60,000 level is kind of coming down to the wicks. So I'd actually say you got a little bit of a bounce off these candle body level lows in Bitcoin. Therefore, the rest of the market's going to follow. Shiba Inu Coin, you can see it here. Shiba Inu Coin's already bounced nicely off 2,300 today. So hopefully it doesn't break down below that. If SHIB breaks down below that, I think you're going lower. But I'm hoping for a bounce tomorrow off of today's lows. It's already started to recover a little bit. Hopefully it can just maintain that momentum there and continue going up from now. Final options. Oh my gosh, dude. Final option income on the month. $14.79. Guys, if you're interested in making $1,479 a month, I don't know the size of your portfolio. Frank has a decently sized portfolio there. I will say that. So not everybody's going to be able to achieve that. But Frank, dude, I mean, you're talking, what, like 6% monthly income on that portfolio? Probably somewhere around there. 6% monthly income. What he's doing is actually very safe. He's going out there selling covered calls. He's going out there selling cash secured puts. He's not buying them. When you buy them, it's a very risky leveraged position. He's selling them. And, he's basically good to go. If he gets a stock put to him because if he sold a cash secured put and he gets it put to him, he's getting it put to him at a much lower price than the current level. If he sells a covered call, who cares if he gets it called away? Not only did he make the premium, He made some excellent capital gains as well. So if you're thinking about entering a position, if you're thinking about exiting in a position, why not sell a call or sell a put instead of putting a take profit on or putting a limit order on? I mean, it's just something you could think about. Frank doing very nice there. I wish I could stop looking at my portfolio every day. We in the crab era. 187 on a pigeon, man. You know what? 187 on a pigeon. If you truly do wish you could stop looking at your portfolio every day, let me ask you the question, and you don't have to answer it. Why are you looking at it every day? Okay? Is it because you're excited? Right? I mean, if you're excited about it, I don't think there's a problem really with looking at it. If you're nervous about it, okay? If you're constantly looking at your portfolio, and I do, right? I constantly look at my stuff because I've got to go through all my watch lists just so I can have a better idea when you guys come in here of what's going on. And I kind of know where these coins are going to be when you ask about them. I don't have to go out and really search for them and, what the heck is this? I've never seen this coin before. So I look at this stuff constantly, but if you don't want to, one of the easiest ways not to is to diversify, okay? If you've got $10,000 to invest, let's say you go put $10,000 in Katamoto. You look at this very volatile chart, you got 10 grand in it, you're like, oh, smokes, dude. Am I going to open it up? It's going to be 20 grand, or am I going to open it up? It's going to be 5 grand. What do we got going on here? You open it. Crap, you look at it again 45 minutes later. Oh my God, what's happening? I can't believe I forgot to look at it this hour. You pull it up, you're all nervous. If that's the case, you'd be much better off, man. $500 worth of Bitcoin, $500 worth of Ethereum, $500 worth of the NASDAQ, $500 worth of, the QQQ, $500 worth of SPY, $500 worth of the Dow Jones, $500 worth of Polygon, $500 worth of Katamoto, $500 worth of whatever. If you diversify, and you don't really have to worry about one asset ruining your entire portfolio, you're going to be much less likely to look, much less stressed out. Now, if you still do find yourself stressed out, even if you're diversified, I think you got too much invested, okay? Maybe you won't worry about 5,000. Maybe every 5,000 is your safe number. If you make 1,000, instead of leaving it in and trying to make even more capital gains and compound interest, put it in the bank, dude. There's nothing wrong. Frank, for example, all right? Frank's portfolio, nice size. Frank's generating $1,400 a month income. Frank's got a decision to make. Frank can pay himself that $1,400 a month and use it to pay his bills, use it to supplement his income, live on it, go ball out, get a new car, whatever he wants to do. Frank can spend that money and take it out of his portfolio, or Frank can compound. And he can continue to sell options on that newly found $1,400. Eventually, though, if he continues to compound, it's going to get a little stressful because that 1,400 is going to turn into 2,000. The 2,000 is going to turn into 5,000. The 5,000 is going to turn into 8 to 10 to 20. And if Frank's making $20,000 a month in income alone, dude, he's got to worry probably about a $300,000 portfolio. Now his 10% swings, it's not $1,000 anymore. His 10% swings are 30 grand. Does Frank look at a annual salary gaining and losing on a daily basis? Can you stomach that? So there is no shame in knowing your limits and knowing what you're comfortable with. Woo! Finally home, OG! Nice, man. Time to rest. Time to relax. Go hang out by the pool. It's freaking beautiful out today. Cookies and cream for me, please. Yes. Somebody go get some cookies and cream. We got an ice cream? What do we got going on? Thought this was about Shiba. Elijah, it is about whatever cryptocurrency, whatever stock, whatever investment you want to talk about, man. It is not exclusive to Shiba Inu Coin. It is about them all, my friend. Was Slothana a scam? No, Warren, Slothana was not a scam. So the countdown timer ended. The pre-sale is no longer going on. The website has been updated to tell you the pre-sale is over. And now they're going to announce the launch day. So I don't know if they're going to announce the launch day and say, boom, here it is. Here's your tokens. or if they're going to say new countdown timer has been posted to the website, and the countdown timer is a week or 5 days or 10 days. Whatever the actual launch day is going to be, I do not know. But yeah, I have their X notifications turned on, so I'll know the moment they post something. Clearly, if you want to come in here and ask about it, you can ask about it in here. I highly doubt they just say, boom, tokens are in your wallet, go have some fun, guys. Ryan the Rapper, thank you very much for the super chat. Ryan says, was Bonk a good dip buy today? Because I bought, baby. Ryan, yes, okay? And I don't even need to pull up Bonk to say that. Why am I saying that? Okay, there's a difference between a good dip buying opportunity and a bad dip buying opportunity. I truly think that any dips we see right now are going to be good dip buying opportunities. I don't think that Bonk is going to die out, spiral out of control, and become worthless. Now, Bonk absolutely could be coming down to test these levels, or even lower dips here. I don't know exactly where the best price is going to be. I don't know what the lowest price you'll ever see again is. Nobody knows that. Right? That's fake news if they tell you they do. So why do I say that any dip could be any dip on an asset you think is going to continue being around? All right? If you buy the dip on I scammed you coin, no, probably not a good idea. But if you buy the dip on an asset you believe is going to be around, I think that we are in a bull market right now. We've been performing beautifully throughout 2023, strong start to 2024. And I truly think that we're going to get that exponential bull market in the next, either by the end of 2024 or 2025 there. 2025 coincides better with the 4-year bull to bear market cycle. But when we do, every dip that we bought along the way is going to be beautiful. Now, if it's after 2025, let's just pretend that that pattern repeats itself perfectly. Once that exponential rally, Bitcoin's hitting 150,000, Ethereum's up to $9,000, $10,000, SHIB is burning that zero, everybody's excited. Dude, your mom's buying crypto, your mom never showed interest in crypto before, your mom's stinking buying crypto. Dude, even your grandpa's like, oh, did you see the Bitcoin doing well today? You're thinking, dang, this is the rally. This is what Claybro said. This is just like 2017. This is just like 2021. It's just 2025 now. When that happens, okay, that dip that occurs afterwards, that might be a bad dip buying opportunity. Because that dip has historically turned into a bear market. Not just a dip. It's not a 10% dip. It's a 10% dip, followed by a 10% dip, followed by a 10% dip. Next thing you know, you're 70% down. Right? Now, it's okay, and clearly, people who have been in here, if you do continue to buy that dip, it is okay, because it is going to be preceded by a bull market, and then your assets are going to be worth even more, and you're going to have so much more. But it is much, much better, looking at history repeat itself, to sell during that euphoric period. When your mom, you guys are talking about it on Thanksgiving, and your mom buys some crypto, right? Then you know this could be the peak. I'll wait on a couple dips. Then you begin to buy in as the knife falls, hits the ground, and moves sideways. Then you load up, and all of a sudden you're sitting on 5, 10 times more than you ever could have accomplished simply by buying the dip, because you sold the peak as well. Guys, a lot of excellent explanations. And thank you guys very much for the excellent questions that arose those excellent explanations there. But I do appreciate all of you guys for being so awesome in this chat, man. It is 5 o'clock. I thought he was going to say the calm before the scam. Oh, Dark Bro. Yeah, man, you calm before the scam. All that good stuff. But since it's 5 o'clock, man, get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout-outs. We got videos coming out tonight at 7 p.m., videos coming out at 8 p.m. Dead serious, I don't know how many more Dogeverse videos there will be, because the Dogeverse pre-sale is going to be ending, or should be ending, based on what I've read about the hard cap, should be ending around $15 million, and they've already sold $12.5 million. So please be aware of that. I don't know how many sponsored videos they're going to continue doing, but a lot of good opportunities in this market right here, and I hope that we take advantage of them all. After you're done dipping that hot dog in your favorite dip, Ryan, you shove it. One bite. Dip it and shove it is the only way to eat a hot dog, man. I had some hot dogs yesterday, man. Any of you guys put macaroni and cheese on your hot dogs? I put mac and cheese and onions on my hot dog. You guys are missing out if you don't do that. Shout outs to Dark Bro, man. Maja D, have a great one. 1st of May, 4 p.m. UTC, Slothana. Let's check that real quick. I don't want to be spreading any news that ain't correct there. Let's check that real quick. See what's happening. Let's see. Well, I don't see anything on their website there. You might just be guessing. I don't know. Slothana. We'll pull up their. I got their thing open. Okay. Hey, he is right, guys. Let me see if it does show up when I pull up their X here. 10 minutes ago, they just posted on X. I don't know if it's gonna show their latest tweet. Okay, it will, since I'm not logged in. Hark! This was the Slothana. Lord Sloth shall grace us with the first coming of Slothana's liquidity on the 1st day of May, 4 p.m. UTC. I believe that's noon Eastern time, okay? I believe that's noon Eastern time, 4 p.m. UTC. Most loyal participants in the pre-sale shall be blessed with their Slothana token starting from the auspicious hour. These guys are weird, man, but whatever. But heed, dear followers, patience is the virtue of the sloth. Our guardians work at the speediest of sloth paces to ensure all receive their tokens in good time. Let us await the arrival of our tokens with tranquil hearts and the brightest of spirits. These dudes are wild, man. I gotta retweet that out on my actual account here. Hold on. All right, reposting that. Very good. You are right. I believe it was Maja, right, that brought that up. All of you guys asking about it. Thank you very much for bringing it to our attention, Maja, right? Yep, Maja, keeping up on that stuff. Awesome, man. Frank, killing the options contracts, dude. Very good. Dark Bro, man, shout out to you. Elijah, see you later. Frank, Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby. Dabbing on him as always. Frank, man, see you later. Moji. See you later, Moji. Have a great day, man. Dark Bro, see you later. Next level, Johnny Quest, Mats. Frank, thank you very much for the super chat. Frank says currently there's 18,300 in options contracts open. Frank, man, help these guys out real quick, maybe before the end streams. 18,300. What does that produce in income? Okay, and then if you want, what's your average expiration date? Because I get, you know, of course, if that's 18,300 that's expiring next year, you know, you're gonna be making that on an annual basis then instead of on a monthly basis. So Frank, man, very, very nice. Options contracts, huge there. Ryan the Rapper, see you later, man. Have a great evening. Crypto Rocketeer, baby. Gorilla, Maja, Kiali'i, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.